Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube marketing channel. I'm your host Marlon, and today we're back with another video. I was been off from social media for a while, take a break from YouTube, particularly YouTube. So for I guess over a year or so. So now I'm back. So the topic of the day is how to upload HD videos to TikTok 2022. So what you want to do, I'm now sharing with you guys the desktop version and also my mobile version, which is the app version. So all you have to do, make sure you log into your TikTok account, and down where you have post, which is the plus icon, you're going to click in the plus icon, and it should take you as if you're going to upload a piece of content. So either from your phone or camera roll. So we're going to head over to camera roll where I got videos. So there's a beautiful sunset yesterday I took on top of the roof. So I'm going to use that as an example. As you can see, beautiful sunset. So what we're going to do next, now TikTok now have released story for everyone now, including across the globe. So the first option you're going to have, so post a story. So we don't need that. So we need to go to next. So you click on next, and down below where you have more options with the three dash. So you can click on that one, and in here you're going to see save to device. That's mean after you upload the content to TikTok, then you can able to automatically download back into your device. But if you don't need that, you can go ahead and switch it off. So at least you don't occupy unnecessary space. But just in case you need that footage, you can go ahead and do that. So the next one, which we're talking about mainly here, is to make sure if this one was off, make sure you toggle that on. I'm using iPhone Pro Max, so it might be different. I don't know the setting up on your device, Android or whatever phone. But for this one, so allow high quality uploads. So higher quality videos may take longer to process, so bear that in mind. So maybe your internet, or if you want to do it over Wi-Fi, that's entirely up to you. So that's how you get to upload all your footage back onto TikTok in the full HD as possible. So for iPhone, definitely we can do 4K and everything. So for you, I don't know how much your phone can do, but for iPhone, we definitely can go 4K at the moment. So that's how quickly you can able to upload back high quality content back into your TikTok account, and you don't lose any quality. And it's the same thing if you was to make the content straight off for TikTok. As you can see, same procedure. You just go there. Take for example, if I was to record something real quick, like my screen here now. Go back, as you can see, same, nothing changed. So you go back and that's it. So that's how simple and easy it is for you guys to, maintain high quality definition of your video whenever you take it and you upload it back to the platform of TikTok. So thank you very much, guys, and make sure you give me a follow over here on my TikTok account, and do remember, please, and also remember to give me a follow back over my channel here on YouTube. So thank you very much, and have yourself a blessed day. Thank you.